Hi there, welcome to this presentation on Jshell shortcuts. Now before we dive into the shortcuts, I need to quickly apologize. If you were following with the previous presentation, Hello Jshell, I might have left some of you hanging. And what I mean by that? What I mean is that I told you how to start the Jshell, but I never told you how to exit it. So in this presentation, before I dive in, I will show you two ways in which you can exit Jshell. So the first way is to simply type /exit and you get a nice little goodbye message. Now if I was to start the Jshell again, another way to exit it is to simply press Ctrl D, and there I have exited. This is a convenient method for those of us who don't like goodbyes. So let's dive into some Jshell shortcuts. In the previous presentation, you saw me typing system.out.println, and as a software developer, I really enjoy writing code, but I hate typing. I know, right? What a beautiful combination to have. So Jshell comes with some standard autocomplete that we can find in many other shells. For instance, I can simply type sys and then tab, and it will autocomplete the system. I can say dot, tab, and it gives me a suggestion of all the other methods and properties available. O, tab, and you get the picture. So with that, there are some other shortcuts. For instance, if I was to create a list, I can simply say arrays.asList 1, 2. And now Jshell conveniently stored it in a $1 variable. But I'm not a big fan of $ prefixed variables. So let's say I want to make it into my own variable. I can press up arrow to visit previous commands and down to cycle back and forth between history. Ctrl A, go to the front, and now I can simply assign it a type, a list of integer numbers. But that again is still a lot of typing, and as you know, I don't like typing. So if I simply go back to that first expression, Jshell has a very nice shortcut in which it can extract a variable, like many IDEs do for you. So if I hold down Shift, press Tab, release, and then press V, it will extract the type, and it even inferred what was the generic parameter. And now I can simply write number and be done with it. Now you might be wondering, where do all these types come from? Right? So Ctrl L can clear the screen, and if I type /imports, it shows some convenient imports of common types that Jshell imported automatically. So these are obviously your IO, your math, your util, the streams, some of the common functionality, so you don't need to import it yourself. But very often you're going to be using a custom type, or a type that is not in these standard imports. For instance, I want to use a pair. So if I make a new pair of 1, 0, Jshell tells me cannot find symbol. Where is this pair? Now I know that there's a pair that in JavaFX, and I can simply import it like so. But then again, that is a lot of typing. So Jshell comes with a import shortcut, if you will, where I can hold Shift, press Tab, release. Oh, sorry about that. Hold Shift, Tab, I. And there it prompts me, do I want to do nothing or import the JavaFX util pair? And sure enough, I will import and then simply create my pair and then use the variable extraction shortcut we learned about earlier and save it. Alright, that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.